Real heartbreaker, come and take me to the real heartache that everyone's talking about. You see me, then you don't, but get it right. I don't believe in magic. Typically that's fine, but I might try sleeping for a bit. Tell me why you know the things you do and how'd you get there to be there. It must be great for you, but take